Good morning, you guys. I'm back with working on the hot rod a little bit. Basically, I'm going to be working on the exhaust again. I'm taking off the old system and I'm putting in a real short down tube, and I'll take you guys on that adventure. But I also want to say really quick, thank you guys so much. We hit 500 subscribers the other day. That is absolutely just blows my mind that we've grown as quickly as we have. As you guys know, my goal at the end of race season was to have 100. I think we were at like 300 at the end of race season. And I made a joke to Kat about hitting 500 before race season started again. And we laughed about it, but we actually hit 500 subs. So thank you guys so much. That means the world to me when you guys share the videos, like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to us, and it means that we know we're doing a good job hearing from you guys. So thank you so much. I know I'm just kind of going on saying thank you, but I truly thank you guys so much. But nonetheless, car show season is upon us, and I have to get some work done to the hot rod. I was gonna make this all one video, but I think I'm gonna keep it in two parts. But working on the exhaust today. Let's get started. So you guys see how dirty the hot rod got just going down the driveway. I mean, I've even got mud like up here, all down through here. It is just a mess out. Okay, so I am going to leave the camera for a little bit. I'm going to go pull the exhaust off of the hot rod, the down tube off, and I'm just going to work on it down here, and I'll just take it back and forth because not really any room in the shop. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk back and forth because I should only have to do it twice. But yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down and go pull the exhaust off of the hot rod. Okay, so I had to put the tarp over the hot rod because it was starting to rain. But here's the down tube. I'm gonna clean it up pretty good because it's pretty rusty. I'm probably gonna clean up around these welds that are around this flange up here because they're kind of sloppy. But I'm gonna do that. I've got my tubing in here that I got from Pep Boys to start shaping the new exhaust. I don't think I'm going to be able to cut the old exhaust out. It's fine where it's at. I'm not planning on going anywhere, especially because it's so wet. But I'll at least get the down tube done today. Okay, next thing I am going to do now that I have this cleaned up, I'm going to see where my 2-inch coupling is going to line up, and then I'll cut off the exhaust at that point, and then I'll start building, and everything after that will be pretty much new. So let's get to it. So because life hates me, I'm going to have to go take all these new pieces over to the wire grinder to get these stickers off because they are freaking on there. And I don't want to start any fires with my welding or going down the road. So now I got to wire grind all the decals off. Okay, so I have my line marked out. Now it's the point of no return. I'm going to go cut this on our bandsaw. So far this is what I have got. I'm going to weld that piece on here. Probably may try to clean some of this up here to see if I can get this to sit down lower. But that'll be the start of the new exhaust. So I went ahead and made my mark where I'm going to cut this tubing. Basically what I'm trying to go for, switch hands here, is when I cut it this length, it'll be almost right up against this piece here, this little adapter, and I'll fill in the gap with the weld, same thing for like right here, and then kind of smooth it out a little bit so it doesn't look as boxy. But so far so good. I think this is about as long as I want to go, because if I go any further this will be hitting the ground and we don't want that. So I'm gonna go grind all these stickers off. So while I'm letting this cut, I'm going to go ahead and start grinding the stickers off of these pieces here. Figure I can multitask. So Dad was nice enough to move one of the tractors so I can get the hot rod in, but this is kind of what I'm coming up with. Basically just a little bit of a gap that I can grind down smooth, and it won't look as boxy, and then I'll do something about this end here when I put it in the coupling. But that's what I'm going for. So far I'm still pretty happy with it. The one thing I don't like is the fact that this went into a 2-inch exhaust pipe, so I had to put this big old adapter on it. But maybe one day we'll actually build a true set of headers for it, and I think it'll look good. But for now, I'm liking the way this is turning out. Alright, so I'm about to get to welding. I can't remember if I said that or not. I guess I'll figure that out in editing. But about to start welding and get this stuff squared away. So of course, while I'm in the middle of welding, we run out of wire. I think we have some backup. So it's not the best blend job. I still have some work I need to do, but I'm pretty happy with it. It doesn't look like two pieces or as bulky anymore. So, yeah, got some more blend work done. I still got some stuff I got to work on here. I'm not going to film me working on this top section up here, but it's pretty much done. Other than me welding it to the flange, I'm pretty happy with it. And now that I look at it, it kind of looks like a chili pepper. So I dub it the pepper pipe TM. So guys, it is now time to do a little bit more finish work, take some scars off of the pipe, and put it on the hot rod. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more. I'm actually kind of wanting it to patina to where it's a little rusty, so I'm not gonna put any paint on it, but I did want to make it look a little bit neater. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. First time doing something like this, and yeah, there's some things I would change, but other than that, or those small things, I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, the pepper pipe is in. It sounds pretty good, and really as far as difference goes, it sounds the same as when I was routing the exhaust out here. It's just now it's up front. It's a little louder, and I like how close I've got it to the ground because the sound like bounces up from the road and from like the ground, so it sounds pretty good. Pretty happy with it. No exhaust leaks. So the next thing I'm going to do, you guys can see, I'm going to cut out all the old exhaust, but I needed to get in the shop so I can raise it up and cut it all out. And my hot rod is filthy, absolutely filthy. But anyways, I'm going to get started on that. So the hot rod is on jack stands, and I realized that the Sawzall is at my house, so I have to leave and go get it because I believe that's going to be the most useful tool. There's my pepper exhaust. But from the last time, I don't think there's any hangers in this. So like basically the exhaust was connected here, and then I welded it back here, so it will secure that way. But now that I've cut it, it's just kind of hanging. So we're going to take care of that in just a little bit. So guys, that is part of the old exhaust. I still have the other side to do, but all I gotta do is take it loose. That tip actually broke off from the cab, but it's not too bad. Like right here. And I am going to come back and do something with these holes. I'm going to add like a little TZR logo to them. So I guess we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the other side knocked out, because if you guys can't see it on camera, it is starting to rain again, and I don't want to get trapped down here, so I'm trying to work pretty quick. So all the old exhaust is cut out. Now it's just solely a little pepper pipe. I don't know how well you guys can hear the difference, but I can definitely tell the difference, especially going from a 2-inch pipe to the 2.5, and then dumping it straight out onto the ground. It sounds good. I'm happy with it. I was going to take it down the road and see how it sounds, but it's still raining, and I need to get out of here. So that's all I'm going to do for today. I'll worry about doing those little designs another day, but we have a car show coming up March 9th at Elgin. In the town of Elgin. The Shriners are putting it on, so that'll be a pretty fun event. That's the first car show of the season. So yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I'm running kind of behind now. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.